hope you have all enjoyed the concert thus far. But before we move on to our final song, Sleigh Ride, we'd like to take a moment to recognize the departure of one of our dedicated choral directors, Mrs. Harriet Birch. Mrs. Harriet Birch has worked at Lincoln Park for 6 years, and tonight is her last concert. So before she goes, we want to let her know how much we appreciate the 6 years she has dedicated to us, and the love for music that she has instilled in us all. We have 6 guest speakers for you tonight. Let's go back 4 years ago when I first auditioned for Lincoln Park High School Music Theory. Miss Harriet Birch was a teacher that I auditioned for. I sang scales and a song from memory, and then I ended up crying. Miss Harriet asked me, "What do you like about singing?" I replied, "There's no feeling greater than being on stage and expressing a feeling to an audience through music." I also explained to Miss Harriet how my grandmother, that was recently sick with cancer, loved when I sang to her. That's when the Waterworks came out. Then Miss Harriet did something I never expected. She hugged me. Miss Harriet, your sweet and funny personality captures everyone around you. For 4 years that I've had you as a teacher, I've learned to compose myself on stage, be a professional musician, sing in different languages, and kind of sight singing. You are the main consistent reason for my growth in high school. The reason why I'm in Lincoln Park Singers today. The reason why I'm applying for College of Music. You are the reason, Miss Harriet, and I thank you.